Silver last week traded with modest bullishness. We have seen a little struggle in silver above 31 level. The resistance is at 31, 31.20, very strong, and 31. In fact, it has moved towards 31.40.50 zone, but proven out to be greater resistance. Now, what to expect in the coming week from silver as it has formed a good base? Can we expect a stronger bullish candle of similar size in silver, or there is a possibility of reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates with detailed analysis, entry points, and profit levels for silver every day. First with the US, Asia, and Europe session, next with the US session. Thus, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel membership channel on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategies, so watch till. First, let's have a look at the weekly charts for silver. See, again, silver, if you look at the move here, this was the divergence of the price from the 20 period. What we have seen a stronger retracement. What we have seen, prices taking the support here and also forming a flat base. Now, flat base is an indication that it has formed a very good support and it is ready for it to take off. What has happened in the last couple of weeks? One stronger bullish candle has appeared, and then a moderate bullish candle is seen here. Now, moderate bullish candle, yes, it has paved the way for a further rise possibility adjust. Now, if you look at this, it is forming these higher highs, and that is why I say till 3180 we have to be watchful. Beyond 3180, we can see prices moving towards 3240, the double top levels, and if it breaks beyond 3240 this time, remember what has happened. What is the candle size here? From 28 to 31. What we can look forward from here? 31 to, just imagine if same size of candle appears, where it is going to be $34 levels. This is silver. Anything and everything is possible. The movement right now is tamed, but once it breaks out beyond 3180, 3240 levels, we are looking forward to a greater. And this consolidation for multiple weeks in silver has paved the way for a further rise here. Moving averages have now started to diverge. Remember what is happening in silver after weeks of consolidation, it is given this breakout, and see, this is the first run, this is the next retracement, and it is ready for another round of run here. Remember, in the dollar terms, still silver is far below from the record high levels. Where were the record high levels? Close to $49 levels here. Since then, years of retracement, and it appears that we are looking forward to a rise here. This was the first peak, then a retracement, and it is ready for a round of rise where the silver might try to trade higher towards $40 levels. But let's have a look further in detail. I will come back to monthly charts later. If you look at the stochastic here on the weekly charts, there is a scope for silver to hit overbought zone, and thus coming week is going to be important. First a break beyond 3150 and then 3180. If these two levels are taken, we can look forward to a greater rise. Be mindful, be watchful. If you look at now MACD on the weekly chart, see first rise and retracement, second rise and retracement. Now, if you see the MACD post COVID, what a tremendous run it has seen. And now there is a possibility that if it crosses over, we can see further next few weeks of bullishness in silver. And thus this bull run might spill over in the month of October. The RSI is also now looking upwards, and it appears there is a greater room available for silver on the upside. Coming to monthly, see on the monthly charts, first rise, then a retracement, then second rise, then a retracement. And the closer of the current candle in green and the closer of current candle uh, above 32, and in fact we can expect the current candle might stretch the rise a bit. There is a stronger possibility for a move towards 33 or in fact 34 levels. Be mindful the coming week can be critical for silver, where we can look forward to a rise here. Lower highs are there, lower lows are there, and once it breaks out here beyond 3180, 3240 zone, just stay bullish. 33 and 34 can be expected here very soon. Also remember, this is going to be the first bullish candle. We can expect a second bullish candle as well, which can be tremendously bullish. The stochastic here has flattened a bit, trying to enter into overbought zone. MACD here has crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. Now, silver on the monthly charts has lot much of a scope on the upside, and that is why I said that the targets for silver in the near term are very high. RSI rising. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily chart, similar observation. Just look at the formation. See, this was the first bull run after weeks of consolidation. We have seen a rise from 22 to 32. Then we have seen it forming nice flag. It has retraced enough and it is giving a breakout. Now, once it starts to give a breakout, see, from 2650, even if you consider the same size or a bit lower size, the chances are very high that silver can strike, in fact, 35 to $36 levels in a hurry here. Coming week is going to be one such important week, and the levels at 3180, 3240 are going to be the decision maker here. If you look at the formation, rise retracement, and now rising again. But here, what has happened towards the last two sessions? See, despite a rise, we can see that the bulls appear to be exhausted here, and that is why I say first 3150, then 60, then 3180, and then 3240. These levels are going to be the decision maker for silver. Yes, what appears bullish can turn extremely bearish. It can form a symmetry from here. What has happened? What has happened? It could replicate, it could come down towards 29.50 or in fact $29. However, however, yes, uh, a breakout is what you should be cautious of. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought and it has cooled down, and this has also left a room for silver to rise in the coming week. If you look at the MACD, first wave, second, and it is consistently divergent bullish, looking upwards, creating room for silver to rise more in the coming weeks. RSI is also looking upwards. Yes, there is also good enough room for silver to rise. Also, one more point on the daily charts for silver, the crossover here has just happened. It is starting to diverge. It appears that it may take a trend like this. And see, once moving average hits 32, means where the price is going to be. Just imagine this fact. So appears that silver might give a breakout. That is what is the expectation. Let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. Likewise, see the divergence of the price from the 20 period, 30 and 31 here. Then we have seen a sharp retracement. Now again, it is just consolidating with the support from the 20 period moving average. And now the moving average hitting 31, we can see a move towards 32 very soon on the 4-hour charts. Rise, flag formation, and a breakout beyond 3150 in the coming week. Just stay bullish. We can look forward to 3240 levels as well. Here's 3180, 32, and 3243 levels here. Beyond this, stronger bullish momentum might prevail here. The stochastic on the 4-hour charts has dropped a bit. The MACD, if you look at, MACD has almost flattened after the crossover. This could start to diverge and trade bullish. It has still scope for a further rise, which can take the on the 4-hour charts, the MACD on the highs, and the price is also at the top. RSI comfortable here. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram, where we trade diverse instruments, including indices and commodities from across the globe. Do join it today. And also, those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads, no hidden charges, global presence, safer environment for you to trade, you can be a part of the recommended broker which is there in the channel and video description. Now first let's talk about the levels to. I will recommend you to buy here at 31.25, expect 31.50, 40.50 rather. I will say this is going to be, this complete zone is going to be a good resistance zone for silver. Once it stays beyond this, you can look forward to a move towards 31.80, 32, then 32.40 levels will appear. Beyond 32.40, this time it is going to land towards $33 levels here. Now see, a move from 31 to 33 is almost a 5.86% rise. We have seen, in fact, silver rising 6% in a day itself. So yes, nothing is impossible. It appears distant, but it does not appear impossible. So beyond 33 is also possible, 33.25, 33.60 and 33.85. A move beyond 33.85, I do not see it happening, at least in the coming week, though there are signs of bullishness, but I see a greater hurdle as well. And as I mentioned, on the upside, you have to be extremely cautious and alert. Till towards 32.40, prices can reverse. Reverse means it can drop again, and thus these all levels are going to remain critical for silver. On the down, I will recommend you to sell only if you see prices staying below 30.80, where you can expect it to move towards 30.60, 30.30, 30.15, 30, 29.75, 29.50. Till 29.50, we have greater scope for silver to bounce back. Below 29.50 is where it is not going to come back. We are looking forward to a drop further towards 28.90, 28.40 and $28 levels. Yes, below 29.50 I think is where the reversal is going to be difficult for silver. As long as it respects 29.40, the chances of reversal will remain high and can move towards 28. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.